Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change your password in two different ways. The first option for updating your password is to reset it from the login page. Press having trouble logging in and enter the email address used to create the account. Next, press reset password. Now, go to your email inbox. Find the letter for password reset. Press reset password. Enter a new password. Success! Your password has been changed. Now, we can go back to the login page. Enter your login details and log into your account. Now, we will show you how to change the password directly from your account. Go to Profile Settings. Choose Change Password. If you remember your old password, enter it. If not, go back to the login page and restore it. Think about your new password. Enter and confirm it once again to prevent any mistakes. Great! Your password has been updated. Please remember to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Happy Kahooting!